Hi, my name is Jomel G. Olaez from BSHM Block 7. Today, I'll be reacting to an IoT video. First, let's briefly understand what is IoT is. What is IoT? Or the Internet of Things refers to a network of physical devices that are connected the Internet and can communicate with each other. Without human intervention, these devices include smartphones, smartwatch, home appliances, security system, medical devices, industrial machines, and even smart cities. How does IoT works? IoT device collect data through sensors, process it using embedded system, and then send or receive information via internet. This allows them to automate tasks, improving efficiency and enhance convenience. For example, smart homes device like Alexa, Google Home, or smart thermostat can control lights, temperature, and security system using by voice command or phone apps. Wearable device. Smartwatch track heart rate, step, and sleep patterns, providing health insight. Advantage and disadvantage of IoT. First, the advantage of IoT. Number 1, convenience and automation. IoT device reduce manually works by automating tasks. Example, smart home system that adjust light and temperature automatically. Number 2, efficiency and productivity. Business and industries use IoT to monitor machine, reduce downtime, and optimize production. Cost saving. Smart energy system reduce electricity bills by optimizing power usage. Number 4. Improve healthcare. Wearable device track health condition and remote monitoring helps doctor assist patients from afar. 5. Better decision making. IoT collect real-time data, helping business and individuals make informed choices. Number 6. Enhance security. IoT-based surveillance system improve home and workplace security. Let's proceed in disadvantage of IoT. Number 1. Privacy risk. IoT device collect personal data, which cannot be misused if not properly protected. Number 2. Cyber security threats. Hackers can exploit security weaknesses to gain control of device or steal information. Number 3. High cost of implementation. Setting up IoT device and maintaining them can be expensive. Number 4. Dependence of internet and power. IoT device rely on the internet. If the connection is lost, they may not function properly. Number 5. Complexity and compatibility issues. Different IoT device use different standards, making integration and troubleshooting difficult. Number 6. Job losses. Automation in industries may replace human workers, leading to unemployed. My personal insight, would I use IoT in my daily life? Why or why not? For me, yes. I would use IoT in my daily life because it makes me everyday tasks easier, more than efficient, and more convenient. For example, smart home device like Alexa or Google Home can control lights, set alarms, and even play music with voice commands. This saves time and effort, especially when I'm multitasking. Another great use of IoT is in a health monitoring. Wearable device like smartwatch help track heart rate, step and sleeping pattern, encouraging a healthier lifestyle. This is useful for people who want to stay fit, monitoring medical condition. However, I would be conclusion about using IoT for security reason. Many smart devices collect personal data and if not properly secured, they could be hacked. To be reduced risk, I would only use trusted brands with strong privacy setting and keep my device update with the latest security patch. Overall, IoT has many advantages but It's important to use responsibility to balance convenience with security. My final opinion, IoT is beneficially, but we must cautious about however we use it. It offers convenience, efficiency, and innovation in many areas like smart homes, healthcare, and business. However, we must be aware of its security risks and privacy concerns to avoid potential threats. Is IoT good or bad for society? I believe IoT is good for society because it enhances daily life, improve productivity, and help solve real-world problems as long as we use responsibly. And properties, security, IoT can continue to bring positive change to the world.